Happy birthday, girl.
Hey,
How your birthday? I get old, you know. You can't have man now.
Girl, you're mad. I said there's something the next thing I mommy I'll pass and go here.
Here, anywhere. Me have 2 friends that come. I meet one of them, I like one of them. 2 of them are come, so you can chat to one of them.
What do you mean, man? Of course, anytime. Call them over right now.
Alright, cheers. We have a drink, right?
Cheers again.
I'm going, baby.
You want going, babes?
Yeah.
This is my friend Raquel. Raquel, this is Omar.
Hi,
Omar, this is Raquel, my friend. So who is your friend?
That's Keith.
Hi, Keith.
Blessed,
This is my friend Raquel.
Oh, hi, Keith. Nice to meet you.
And her birthday too, you know.
See how old now?
Well, I'm 18 today.
Sure, look good though, look like 16 though.
I've searched the world, curious come to find you're one of a kind, diamond design. Why is there so much space between us? There's too much space between us. Much things here to discuss. Oh, girl, I want you closer to me, just a little bit closer to me, 'cause that's where you're supposed to be, just a little bit closer to me. Yes, I want you closer to I, and I will never make you cry. Garments be a flying at the sky, and access must never be denied. Hey.
I'm going to go buy something to drink, you know. Yeah.
Watch ya. See my auntie over there, so I don't want to see me, so just buy one bottle of water if you come to me here. I'm going to go down at $1 man, go change $120. But there is what I'm ready.
Alright. Dollars, baby. Why, baby, cool one feeling nice, you know. That's what I want to get to know you, though. Tell me number, though.
Raquel. Yes, mommy?
Where you going?
I'm going to share a little bit.
All right, before you go, sweetie, I need to talk to you.
No?
Right now, sweetie. Sit right here. Let us have a mom and daughter chat. Long time don't chat, right? Okay, my daughter. You leave high school now and going to college. There's some serious questions I'd like to ask you. 1, are you having sex?
Sex, mommy? No, mommy, I'm not having sex.
That's good. You see these guys in the area? I don't want you to be mixing up with them. Okay?
I don't even talk to them on the road.
That's good, my daughter. And remember, if you're going to have sex, please use a condom. I'm a single mom and you know that. Your dad didn't look up to us. He left us. I'm all alone with you. So please, don't you dare get pregnant in here, or else you have to go.
Girl, I want you closer to me. Just a little bit closer to me. But that's where I'm supposed to be. Just a little bit. Hello?
Oh, yeah, there.
I'm there right now, but vibe up on the work, you know?
I think I'm ready.
You start have sex now?
If I say ready, what do you think that suggests?
Alright, we have someone, man. We can't carry on.
I'm on the road now, so I can come. Alright, I'll meet you there.
Alright, me come. Yo, Omar. You know, so we want the end to birthday a minute. Finally, babes.
Finally, what?
You have me suspense how long, you know? Can't get to you. I want to change your mind today.
Why you not even want to know, believe me.
Whatever change your mind is a good thing, you know? That feel so good.
You bring condom?
I know, so I have to get something, you know. Try to work with them, as I say already, I just come instantly. I just do my taste test, you know, so I'm good.
Now worry about AIDS alone, babes. Remember, suppose me get pregnant or anything.
No pull out, man, not worry about pregnancy. Pull out 4 times.
You know that don't work. I can still get pregnant even when you pull out.
Not when I'm pulling out. Now come out before the time, baby.
Babes, come on, kid. You know, so if you just pull out now work, cause that still can get me pregnant, and that's what I'm worried about.
Don't worry about it, man. You know I get pregnant so easy. Just want to make love to you.
Babes, I'm just worried. What if I get pregnant?
I get pregnant.
Babes, you sure you pull out on time?
Come on.
What about my friend Sharon?
Me there and my mom just step on the work.
You good for your brother, alright?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some people start use condom though.
Condom? Why now?
I mean, because you know a risk and if or something, you think one get pregnant.
Babes, a joke, you know. I don't normally pull out.
Yeah, but you remember I said that that not safe, you know?
How you look, so?
How me look?
Like you breathe.
Oh, you know that you don't have no picnic.
Come and breathe enough time and I know how pregnant woman look.
I mean, I say with no picnic, my girl.
Come and name all of them.
What kind of vibe did the pan be?
What you talk about, babe?
You have man a drop off when you say in a tilt up glass and one bag of something.
Babes, I'm a friend that.
So you cannot stop right in front of the shop.
Because me did it on the phone and then me never did to send the drive past and at one time I never know me I go. So when me realize now me tell them say I must stop and me just walk come up.
Man, a fool you try to take one just one.
Yes, man, I try to take it for no fool. Just pull up my nose and
Medicine man, me say medicine man. Who ready for the medicine man? Medicine for make your tongue panny long. Medicine man, me say this is the medicine man.
What about medicine man?
Me there no daddy where you pray.
Then you know some belly hurt me from morning. Then you know no bush in them can't.
Yeah man, me are the right bush for you. Cause guess what? Belly hot, cold in a belly. The one you are the right one for you.
Raquel! Raquel!
Yo!
Yo, pa! Come in, man! Sorry, the pan, brother.
Well, sister know say a bush doctor I check my belly hurt me and give me some bush and I say I come get a link to say it.
So where Bushman did it?
You know, say a bushman there, but a whole of white tall, I walk up and down and say, we see me. I have a whole of people around there, you know.
Okay, so I'm going to give him a link then, man.
Anyway, I'm going to have more there.
No, so she got an work.
But I know so she not too like me, you know, because in case I mean that doesn't take care, you know, because it's not my fault that that's say I'm joking.
What going on, Raquel? Yeah, you know, so me just take one pregnancy test a while ago and find out I'm pregnant. Yeah, me go call.
How come they just call from work and I tell you say go on, you don't know anything said.
Me have something for you.
And that's why I could have been now. It's for baby.
You know, see a white pal.
You know what's me? I can't deal with this right now.
What do you mean you can't do this? I just say me call if you talk to you about it.
Remember say, I'm the last month I get two.
Me know about that two then.
You know definitely say yes one now. I'm 14 of them.
14? Two me know about you never tell me say 14. So what you try to tell me say?
I know if I get to that one.
Me not dash you me pick me. And the first one I me not dash you.
I never go to work and think about it in the car. Kind of just bug into my brain, you know.
Me call if you talk about something urgent and you go to work.
I'm not going to work, man. Since that's all, I give you money to buy a pill. You need my money. So you need my picnic too.
Alright, me do this for my own. Me take care of my picnic myself.
You shameless girl, you. You shameless girl. Look at you. What about the condom? Huh? What about the condom? I wanted to use condom. How did you get pregnant?
Mommy, what I gonna do? Mommy, what I gonna do now?
Both. Mommy, I'm not having sex. Look at you, innocent girl. Huh? That's what you call yourself? Huh? You're not having sex? Look at you. You shameless girl. I work so hard. Huh? My sweat, my tears. Send you to high school. Your graduation. Look at you now. Pregnant. You gotta get out my house, man. You can't stay here. You shameless girl.
Mommy really put me out.
Oh God, I think my pressure's getting high. Where's my pressure pill? Yeah, man. She said she's not pregnant. She's not having sex and now she's pregnant. What is going on? Raquel let me down. Raquel let me down. My innocent child. Shameless for the community. What am I going to tell the pastor? Oh my God, my pressure.
Sure. Mommy just put me on. She heard me attack up on the phone. Welcome.
Boy, brother, I pay across is the family.
Come to you.
Raquel called me today and tell me, say, boy, she pregnant.
I'm pregnant for you?
Hey.
So hold on, so what you plan to do?
Boy, let me get all the brothers, you know. And now me alone she has sick.
Real?
Yeah, understand?
So hold on, so what you plan to do?
Brother, she left on her own with that, you know.
Shares. Can you come see me, please? I need to talk to you urgently.
Kid.
You never ask that, baby. You know some love me.
You really love me?
You're the apple of my eye, you know. Really love you, baby.
You know, say mommy put me at the house door, right?
Never hear. Not the fear from what they not your phone, me not get to me a call her.
Mommy put me out because she found out I'm pregnant.
You what? You sure you're pregnant?
Yes, kid, I did the test. She actually heard me talking on the phone in the bathroom and she came inside and she saw the test in there and she put me out of the house.
I feel like we celebrate then, you know. What want to do?
Kate, this is just good news for you. You know, so I can't afford to get pregnant right now. I have too much things I look forward to.
I know I don't understand what I say. So where you go, though?
Well, I'm thinking about doing an abortion. And I need you to give me the money to do the abortion as well.
I don't think straight, you know. Smart, me just feel say not think straight. Yeah, so while ago, I love you. You love me?
I love you, yeah, of course I love you, but you know how it's like for me right now, and I just can't have this baby right now.
You know it's a part of me in you, so baby. You know it's a part of me in you. A part of you and part of me, this in a sense. So why would I spend money to kill part of me out of you? School long now, you know? Even when you're 8, you still can go to school, no be. But it's a life in your belly.
I think that this is my decision to make, you know. And I've already made up my mind that I'm not going to have this child.
You might try to kill this baby inside of you, you know, and kill yourself, you know.
I thought about that, but I guess that's a chance I'm willing to take.
Chance you're willing to take. You know not hard. You ever think about God before?
Hold on, Baba.
Guess how this?
Oh,
Raquel, man. They call me phone and they tell me say, Bobo, she pregnant.
Listen to me, man. You need to answer your phone, you know. Seriously. You can't let me figure through this alone.
mother again.
You know, if you have something to show you what? Man, yeah,
So you have to tell me something. Can you tell me if you have something to tell me? You're urgent, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, if John come check me, see if they have you there. Come drink on the block. And be there listening story of what talk about. And it's like, say, girl, me I deal with it. You pick me up for you and John, yeah.
Everything good still. But I think it's she though. If I anything I make me know what I go on.
I show you one vibe, but you want. Don't call me.
The next bartender then?
No, she have this week.
Later still. Blessed, I'll go and share.
There, no, we're going.
You see Raquel?
Yeah, she inside.
She will come visit still now. You good though?
Yeah, man, no, but she inside.
Alright, go and hold it. See it? I kill her, I'm a killer.
Kid! What you do, man?
I wish John boy me say I grew on with.
What you do, man? Kid! What you do?
Yeah, Omar, you need to come around right now, you know, because he's ready run if you kill off Raquel. Yeah, hurry up and come now.
Kid! You know.
Eh? I don't want that.
Kid, you cannot do that. You cannot do that, Kid. If you do that.
Sure. What am I doing? Cut on. Hey. Yo, build back, yo, fire, build back, no man. Let him go, no man. Build back, okay, yo. Yo, easy, man. She don't wear a thing up, just calm down, no man. Calm down, now.
But mom spend by you.
You don't wear it to me, man. Just build back, man. Calm down, man. I make it thing work, man. Build back,
No,
man.
yeah, do you know.
So, Omar, where you go?
Let go off for me, man. Because the same thing your friend do, the same thing you do me.
What you talk about? Raquel, what you talk about?
I saw no woman love you using a brain per man.
No, man. What am I talk about, Raquel? Raquel, what am I talk about? No, man, this year. So what am I talk about? Talk to me.
Shall we find out about John?
So what?
I never want to come. No, say they go cut. I'm not sure if it be a fame or if it's a John.
Medicine man, Mr. Medicine man. Hello?
Medicine man. Come here.
Yeah man, medicine man there. Yeah, no baby.
I want to ask you something, man. Can you sit down, man?
Yeah man, they have a good bush them, you know.
So what kind of bush you have there now?
The one you have free girl them we born ugly and they want to look pretty, you know. Yeah. And the one here, Jesus, peace. Smell the one here.
So I smell bad.
Yeah, the one after the one with herpes, gonorrhea, syphilis, and all of them other sitting where you know say, yeah, yeast infection, all of them something there. But the one you know, the one that expensive bush, the one you are the one with dash with the belly. And you mix it with 2 seed out of this.
Well, my friend right now, she kinda in one position and pregnant and she kinda want to get rid of it, so.
And bush are expensive still in a way, so I don't know where they go on with.
Alright.
And bush are 4,500 and sell them bush for.
I think she have them the money there right now at all.
Well, you can go to the other alternative, you know. You see them thing here, rusty nail and boom. Or Pepsi, blast up the pitney out of her belly, you know, with blue. Yeah. So, I don't know if your friend want to do that, but I not tell him to do it, you know. If he do it and the pitney dead or him dead or him business. Yeah, man, but them something they kind of dangerous still, but them gyal nowadays, them cheap, you know.